friends, welcome back to Arc Tutorials. This is AI Masterclass series where I'm teaching you must know concepts. Today we are covering what is the difference between RAG versus fine tuning in AI. Let's get started. Before we start, you know the drill. Hit the like button, comment. If you want to learn, subscribe, want one-on-one training, email me. Let's start. All right, so let's first talk about RAG. RAG stands for Retrieval Augmented Generation, which means it will fetch external data before answering. This data can be your company's private data, documents, and much more. RAG will use a vector database. It can be a Superbase or ChromaDB, etc. Now, no model retraining needed for RAG systems. So when you're giving your own private data, that means you're providing real-time, dynamic, private knowledge to your AI model. Now, this is best for chat with documents or when you want to build a private chatbot for your own enterprise or based on training your own data. That's what RAG will be useful for. Now, let's come to fine tuning. What is fine tuning? Fine tuning means training your AI model on custom data. Now, the knowledge is baked into the model. This is expensive, this is time consuming. You'll need a lot of large data set to kind of fine tune that. It will give you high accuracy for specific tasks. It's best when you're trying to build an AI model for specific domain, specific area. Let's say healthcare, or you can also say manufacturing specific. These are the use cases for fine tuning. Remember, here you're training the model, and that's where it will require your data labeling, custom data, all of that. It's expensive, unlike RAG, where it's not costly. You store the data in your vector DBs and you get the data back with accurate answers. Now, talking about the key differences, RAG will do a search plus answer. It will search for the previous data where the AI model was trained plus the new set of data or the documents that you provided. Fine tune means you're training the entire AI model and that's where it will give you answer. RAG updates instantly. Fine tune is a static knowledge because you're training on a certain set of data. Now, remember that fine tuning is part of the training area, training mode. Whereas RAG is where it will get real time data, it will search for documents, similarity search, and so on. So, in most cases where you see today enterprises are using, they will be using RAG systems. I hope the concept is clear. Hit that like button, comment, subscribe, email me if you have any questions. Thank you so much. See you in the next episode.